I am so excited to be done with this makeup tutorial because I can never drink coffee before I do my makeup, otherwise I'm like so shaky. So I'm celebrating with a shot of espresso. I need more. Shot number 2. Shot number 3. Should I do more? Shot number 4. Oh my gosh, I just found a leftover bottle of Beau Joie SugarKing Rose champagne in my fridge from like 4 days ago, so you know what, I'm gonna drink some of that too. I'll maybe even pour some of my aloe juice. That seems fun, right? I'm off the espresso, I'm off the champagne, I am ready to roll. Hello everyone. Today I am here with my guest star, celebrity makeup artist, Luna. But I'm so thankful and grateful. Oh my gosh, you bitch, you're getting kicked off my shelf. I was out to eat with my friends the other day at Cheesecake Factory, because you know, who doesn't love a good cheesecake? And this little kid just started screaming at the top of his lungs because he was upset about something. And they were like kind of irritated. And I was like, you know, I'm gonna be honest here. I'm jealous. I wish I could just scream at the top of my lungs whenever I got upset, but here I am, just dying on the inside over everything. So I hate when I text people and they don't have an iPhone. Like, grow up. But it's mostly guys too. It's like some weird guy Android pride thing. My dad has an Android and I'll be like, no dad, I'm kind of bummed. I dropped my phone and it cracked and it sucks. And all of a sudden he just gets this weird pride like, oh, my Android never fails me. I'll be up on a 30-foot ladder and I'll drop my phone on the screen and it only has a couple scratches. I ran mine over with a car once and it still works. I went to New York just to climb the skyscrapers and throw it off and it still works. And I'm just like, oh my gosh. I would rather have a broken iPhone than have a working perfect screen Android. I would literally have my whole phone screen cracked and get little tiny shards of glass in my fingers every time I used it than have an Android. I'd rather just fucking die than have an Android. I'm a real big fan. Now, growing up in the 2000s was so interesting because, you know, we had so many great bands. We had A Rocket to the Moon, Never Shout Never, The Main, and I swear I'm gonna be like a 40-year-old mother and my kid is gonna come home from school and they're gonna be like, Mom, I'm so sorry, I'm in trouble. And then I'm gonna cut them off and be like, I'm an addict, I'm addicted to this girl. And then they're gonna be like, no, I mean it, like, I'm a really, and then I'll be like, big fan of yours, but I'm quiet. And then my kid's just gonna fucking get suspended to school and go to juvenile hall. So I'm doing a makeup tutorial for a natural look today. I mean, it's really easy, it doesn't take long, it takes 10 minutes. I also want to do a couple makeup shout outs. So the first one is just Bare Minerals in general. I love the Well Rested concealer. I use it under my eyes to set my concealer, and it does not crease as much as most powders, and also it just adds like a little extra coverage, which I love. And their foundation, oh, it's so amazing. You can see, I know you saw in the video, how it covers any dark spots or discolorations. It really evens all the skin tone. And the best things about these is that they're way more natural than most makeup brands. So it doesn't have any bad ingredients in it. It doesn't have any talc in it. My skin's really sensitive, so I break out pretty easily, or my skin gets dry really easily. Another thing I really love is this Makeup Forever setting spray. It works amazing. And also another great thing about it is it doesn't have alcohol in it like a lot of setting sprays. The thing about alcohol in any makeup products is that it really dries out your skin. This Rosewater is so much better than the Mario Badescu one. The ingredients list is a little bit more natural. Water that has been vortexed and magnetized to raise the energy to a higher vibration that we believe to be more beneficial. Like, ooh, okay. Natural vegetable glycerin and essential rose flower oil. So it's like, that's 3 ingredients and one of them is water. Fuck me up. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you all learned how to do a natural looking stripper makeup. Subscribe and like. I'm gonna add more videos. Thanks for dealing with me and drinking espresso and champagne. Bye.